Hello everyone, welcome to part 39 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. And so we will continue working on the products module. And in this video, we will start working on the add edit product functionality, and we will add the add product form first of all. Okay, so let's start. So here we are going to follow the instructions of this video. First thing is that we are going to add the link, add product link. Okay, so we are going to add this link. I'm going to close first of all earlier files. Okay, so I'm going to open the products.blade.php file, and here I'm going to add its link here. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm going to check it once that I able to add product link or not. Yes, add product link has been added, and its link we are going to add hyphen edit hyphen product. So this route I'm going to add now. Okay, so let's add the route now. This is the route I'm going to add this route to add edit product, the common route. Okay, in web.php file to add and edit the product. Okay, so this route I'm going to add it here. Okay, we are going to add the get post for this route, and I'm going to add this function add edit product function in products controller. In products controller, I am going to add this add edit product function. Okay, so this is the function that I'm going to add, and this function I'm going to add here. Okay, so this is the function that I will add here, and after that, see, I'm going to add here to fetch the category or the complete categories. Okay, so here we will simply fetch the categories and will return that to the add edit product blade file that we are going to create right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you that we have able to fetch the category and their subcategory. Here you can see the we able to get the categories, subcategories, and subcategories. Okay, so that we can show that category level in the add edit product form. Yeah, same thing we are going to show like we are showing in the category in add category. So this level we are going to show in add product form as well, so that the admin can able to select the category under which he is going to add the product. Okay, so same thing we are going to show here in the product add product as well. Okay, so that's why we will fetch the all the category levels, and will return to the add edit product blade file that we are going to create right now. Okay, so this file I will open the product folder, XAMPP, htdocs, and project 11, products, where is resources, views, admin, products. So I'm going to add this file, new file. Okay, new file I'm going to add here, add edit product. First I'm going to create this file like this, and then I'm going to rename this file to blade.php. Okay, blade.php like this. Okay, so I'm going to scroll come like this, and now I'm going to modify this file with the add edit category. This complete design I will copy here, and then I will rename this thing products will come. Okay, and here the form, add edit category form, I'm going to copy from here the complete form in which we have added all the products field. I'm going to, otherwise it will take too much time. This one I have done at my end, that taken too much time. Okay, so you can simply require to add all the product fields that we have added earlier on in the MongoDB. Okay, you can see, so all the fields we have added. Now I'm going to click on add product, and here, okay, so we are required to add here category model as well at the top. So sorry, I'm going to add here the category model. So here you can see the complete product form has come, and this category level has come that I am talking about. Okay, so the admin can able to select, like if the admin want to add products under t-shirt, he is going to select the t-shirt here, then the complete product details he is going to enter. Okay, like product name, product code, product price, product discount, product color, family color, group code, product weight, and product video description, watch keywords, search keywords, meta title, meta description, meta keywords. And also there are some filter values, filter columns as well, that we have added earlier. Okay, I'm going to open that products, and here you can see there are some filter column as well: fabric, pattern, sleeve. Okay, so for these also we are going to add these one, and for these I'm going to add here the function in the product model, and we are going to define some filter values under product model. I'm going to add the function in which we are going to define the filters that we are going to add. You can define other filters here as well. Okay, after defining these filters, I'm going to modify the added product function once again, so that we can able to or we can simply add these product filters. Okay, we are going to fetch these product filters in add edit product. Here we are going to fetch this one, and we are going to return this one to the blade file, so that we can show these as well. And then I'm going to add these filters in our form. So I'm going to add this one in our form, and after we are going to add these after wash care, I'm going to add, sorry, after search keyword I'm going to add this, and I'm going to align it as well. And we'll see now. Yes, you can see the filters have also come up. Select fabric, cotton, polyester, wool, select sleeve. Okay, these are the sleeve. Select pattern, select fit, select occasion. So the admin can able to select these filters as well for this particular product. So the add product form is ready. This the same form we are going to use for the edit functionality later on. But in the next video, we are going to finally add the product. We are going to validate the product data as well, and we'll finally insert the product details, so that we can modify in the product will get added in the MongoDB as well. Okay, and also will be shown in the products page, okay, of the admin. Okay, so let's stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.